Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add internship on LinkedIn. First of all, open your LinkedIn profile, and after that all you have to do is go to your dashboard and you will see a button called Add Profile section. Click on it. From here, all you have to do is click on Get Started. Now you have three things you have to, and after that you will need three things, which is your resume, which is you need to upload. From here you have to provide three things, which is upload a recent resume, review and edit information, and add to your profile. Click on Next and select your resume. You can select your resume as a PDF file or doc, or you can say a Word file of Microsoft Word. Click on Upload. From here you have to click on Next, and that's how to add internship on LinkedIn. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.